This is an unboxing video as I'm shaking my head from Facebook sales group, Chris Carpenter, who I stalk because he has things that I like. And if I'm at risk of hurting my chance of getting the coveted elusive Illins, Chris Carpenter is asking rushing to have one. And the box is open, nice crumpled up paper. And first off, I come to a plant that, believe it or not, is bloom size. This is Tridactyl bicaudata. And unfortunately on the Tridactyl, there really isn't much information. Tridactyl bicaudata, it is a subspecies within the Tridactyl genus. Vanda type, grower and bloomer, high humidity, year-round moisture, a little bit drier when they're not growing, but for the most part, it is a typical angricoid. It does want a little bit more shade than a typical Arangus or Eranthes, but around the type of light that Jamelias like. So that's all I know about those plants. There is very nice sized Angraecum figuieri. And of course, this is Angraecum figuieri, and surprisingly, they have these at Orchid Limited. Kind of pricey, but it is a rare species from Madagascar. I've had this in my collection. I will put pictures of it. It adapts well to a broad range of temperatures and typically blooms from winter into spring. Bronze-toned sepals have a striking display. The flowers are both long-lasting and fragrant at night. At maturity, the plant maintains a modest leaf size of about 6 inches. So these do bloom small. And this looks about a little bit bigger than what my size is, and that would be considered bloom size because they do bloom off of kikis, as you will see in my plant picture. And here they are, the Angraecum and the Charles.